Hey, well there. This is my bike check. Okay, so this here helmet is a bell helmet. I don't know what it's called. It's called these stickers. Nar bear. Nar bear. Easy. Follow my soon-to-be YouTube account, Mac and Cheese BMX, right there. Okay. Here, throw that aside. This is a Redline Proline Expert XL. One Redline crank, and then a random one that I found at my house. Don't know what I have. These Mission pedals, PC, because, you know, metal hurts. Redline pivotal seat, these texture brakes, this purple kink brake cable, that's a lot of money. These bars, the Redline bars, Redline hollow point stem, Redline fork, door brake, lever thingy. I got some sun rims in the front, some whatever that hub is in the front, you know. Demolition machete tires, cushy. Just gotta keep it cushy for the landings. And I have a sun rim. It's got a these
chain. Just a chain.
This KMC chain, KMZ, and chain goes on is a chromoly shadow driver, a Redline 39 tooth sprocket. It's not for sale. Oh yeah, Redline seat clamp. So this is my bike check, and I hope you like it.